What's up, y'all? You know who it is, your boy JP the Install Guy. Hope to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2013 Honda CR-V. I'm gonna show you how to take this radio and install your own. These are the type of things that you're into. Consider subscribing, because this is what we do. Anything car audio install related, that's what the channel is about. From time to time I like to share my car audio knowledge, so whether you're beginner or advanced, this channel just might be for you. First thing you want to do is you want to remove these vents. We're going to take our panel removal tool, we're going to come right here at the top, and we're going to pop that vent out because it's only held in by clips. So that's going to be that one. Come over here, get behind there and do the same thing. Pop that thing out like that. Next, turn my light on. Looks like we have one Phillips right there, and we have one Phillips on the other side. And I think there's just a clip right here at the top, so maybe we just take those two out and that's it. Oh, all right, so I guess that is it. You do have a harness right here for your hazard light that's going to be a little tight, so push down on this tab, take that out, and then we want to disconnect all of the harnesses. And now that we have that factory radio out, let's go ahead and get over here to our test bench, get the dash kit prepped to receive the other radio, get everything wired up, and then get back inside the car. So now that we're on the bench, we have to get this hazard light out of here to put inside the new dash kit. Don't worry, I will link all this stuff for you. But you want to turn this over. You're going to have two screws. We'll go ahead and take those out. Alright, both screws in. Alright, so that's good. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip that over. I'm going to take our radio and put it face down like that, perfectly inside that hole. And then kind of line those up the same, just so I can make sure that I'm going to be putting these side panels on correctly. Then I'm gonna line them up just to make sure they look exactly how they're supposed to look over here. Get those lined up. I'm gonna put two screws on both sides, and then we'll be able to see how it looks. All right, so we got those two screws on each side. It's mounted up real good. So this is what it should look like when we actually get it put in. Let's go ahead and get this thing wired up. Alright guys, so we're back inside the car, and if it was your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Well, here at this channel, we mainly do radio removal and install videos, and the wiring is almost the same every single time as long as you buy the wiring harness. The wire harness's job is to transform or convert the factory wire colors to the aftermarket wire colors, so it makes it easier to install. So if you don't know the wire colors, don't worry about it. I didn't forget you guys. I actually made one video showing you how to wire up a radio. I will be listing that in the description. The cards will be up in the corner, and I would like to take the time to actually give a shout out to all the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel, and that actually goes a long way with me. So without further ado, let me go ahead and just get this pushed back in the cavity so you guys can see what it looks like at the end of the day. Alright y'all, so that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys found any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. All the product links will be in the description. The Patreon link will be in the description if you want to be a furthermore supporter. Also, make sure you guys stay on the lookout for that online course, the Introduction to Car Audio. I'm extremely excited about it. So depending on what time you guys actually see this video, don't forget to go down there in the description so you guys can learn more about car audio. Till next time, this your boy JP the Install Guy signing out. Hoping everybody has a very blessed day. Peace.